We hope you'll join us frequently, and hopefully we'll have the opportunity to work together soon. My name's John, and we've been in business, Elite Credit Solutions, for the last 15 years, getting ready to start our 16th year here in about a month, as first of the year. Welcome. Let us know where you're joining us from. Welcome. Thank you for joining us. Welcome. Thank you for joining us. Let us know where you're joining us from. We're happy you joined us on this Sunday night. Welcome. If you missed it, my name's John. I'm the owner of Elite Credit Solutions. I'm in Tampa, Florida. We serve the whole United States. I'm happy to have you here. Welcome. I wanted to talk to you about the current economy. As you know, the last 4 years has been the worst 4 years we've ever experienced. Prices have gone up tremendously, 30 to 50% on pretty much everything. Electric bill, food, everything. And sometimes people choose not to work on their credit due to time. They say, well, the economy's bad. That's actually reverse thinking. You should be working on your credit when times are bad. I know a lady during the 2009 housing crash that, back then everybody was doing short sales. And she sadly could not keep up the mortgage. She had to let the house go. And a gentleman walked in. The house maxed out at about $315,000, and a guy walked in, bought the house from Bank of America for $100,000, put a couple of bushes in it, painted it, turned around and sold it, probably for about $400,000. To this day, that house is probably close to $500,000 in value. So. That gentleman had good credit, and he had money. I know sometimes you don't have money, but you got to have credit and money. A little bit of money, or at least show that you get money. But now is the time you should be working on your credit for a few reasons. We had a recent election. And this is not being political, but anytime you have an election, things change, no matter who's in charge. And no matter whether you support President Trump or you were Democrat, supported either Kamala or Joe, any way you look at it, things are about to change. And as you can see, the last week or so, things are changing very rapidly. Even if you don't want to buy a house, your credit's affected in many areas. Maybe your car insurance, you're paying high car insurance with bad credit. Maybe your air conditioning goes out. You have to, first thing they want to know, can you finance it? No, I've got bad credit. Maybe your car goes out. You need a new car. Those things you have to address, and you have to have credit. The reason I say car insurance, when you walk in and sign up for car insurance, what's the second question they ask you? First, they want to know your name, and second, they want to know your social security number. Your rates are dictated whether you have good credit. In insurance terms, that means that you're less of a risk to them, and they give you better rates. So, you're already paying 30 to 50% more on everything. Many have had to go out and get second and third jobs. Maybe you've sold things, maybe you've worked online, whatever, to survive the last 4 years. But you have to have good credit to get out of this mess. Any way you look at it, just you can't live life without having good credit. Your insurance is high, you can't get loans. A lot of people are living on their credit card because, and sadly, they're probably living on a high interest credit card because they've got bad credit. A part of the new FICO system is going to look back 2 years, so they're going to be looking, do you max out your credit cards? Do you get loans to pay off the credit cards? So I wouldn't wait too long. The economy gets better, there's a lot of opportunities, and you have an opportunity, whether it be an opportunity or something happens and you need to rely on your credit. Maybe you have a medical emergency. But I'd hate to be in the emergency room with your child, or maybe at the veterinarian with your dog, or maybe you're in a car wreck and you've totaled the only car you and your family have, or maybe your insurance goes down in August, and those are all kind of emergencies. And when you have to tell the person, no, I've got bad credit. Bad credit's not a crutch. So when you tell them, no, I can't do that because I got bad credit, you're thinking that they're looking at you, well, you just had some tough time. No, they're looking at you wondering why you're not doing something about your bad credit. Because most people know you can get help for bad credit. So my suggestion is this is November 15th, I think. And what date is today? I'm sorry, the 17th. Is to get busy. Let's work on your credit, and in a short amount of time you'll be set to get an apartment, get a house, protect you and your family for emergencies. Maybe you need a car. Any of those things you can do if you've got better credit. So I encourage you to hopefully give us a call. My number and information, my website's on our profile. You can reach out to us we're open 7 days a week till midnight, and we'd be happy to help you. We'll work with you no matter what your budget is. We don't do credit repair like most companies. We don't participate in the membership program like several do. Most of the companies charge you $100 a month, which looks attractive, but they're only working on 1 or 2 accounts a month. They have no interest in fixing your credit because they make their money off that monthly membership payment. I don't do that. I do real good old-fashioned credit repair, and we're here to help achieve our goals. We're getting ready to start our 16th year, first of the year, and we've helped thousands and thousands of families. And we're here to help you. We do traditional old-fashioned credit repair. We'll build a 5 to 6 page report for you. Send that off to the bureaus. We give them 45 days, and then we start working on the next round. If you call in before the end of the year, the next few weeks actually, we are currently giving all our customers double credit repair. So instead of a 3-round program, we're giving you 3 additional rounds for free. We're going to discontinue that probably the first of the year because we've did it for now a few years, working through the COVID and working through the bad economy. But things are improving. We're going to kind of resume back to our old format, and that we can hopefully help you and achieve whatever goals you have, work with you on your payments, or whatever's needed. Never turn anybody away due to payments. And so whatever your budget is, we'll work with you. But I would suggest not waiting on the new year. I've never understood the word waiting. But whatever you're waiting on, we should be working together, because the process is kind of lengthy. I'd hate for you to have to work several months in order to get your goals achieved. We have been, I've had over 35 bankruptcies, I believe. I lost track. I've had credit reports wiped out. But, so anything's potentially can happen. We work hard towards your goals, but it truly takes the whole process in many cases. So let's get busy and work on your credit goals. And we'll have you set up to either get a house or a new apartment, a car, whatever it is you're trying to achieve. We'd be grateful for the referral. If you know anybody that's trying to achieve some goals, we'd be grateful for your referral also. Again, my number and my website is on our my number and our website is on our profile page, and we are open 7 days a week. You generally reach us till midnight. And my name's John, and again, I appreciate you attending. Please message us even if you're listening to the review of the live. Let us know where you joined us from, where you saw our recording, and hopefully we'll catch up with you next time. Hope you have a great remainder of the weekend, and looking forward to a successful week. Thank you.